Hello! I am finally back from Japan. It has been a few weeks since then. I actually was busy preparing like parcels to mail out for my patrons, and today I'm finally getting back to work. I bought a lot of stuff from Japan, some huge color shapers. I mean, the smaller ones are called color shapers. I don't know what these are called, but it's a lot bigger, but I think it might help during the process. So we'll see if we'll use this today. I also got some fillers which I said that I would, and these are like the normal fillers and also the wood fillers. So we will see how that goes. I also bought some various other stuff. I will list out the things that I bought for the miniature house. I mean, I thought about using it for the house, but I don't know if I will use it eventually, but I'll just list it out anyway. And yeah, today's plan is to at least finish up drawing the exteriors. I have the bottom half here and also the sides to draw. And if I have enough time, I will use the fillers to start making the decor. We will see how that goes because I started a bit late. It's actually around like 2:20 now, and it might take me some time to get there, and I also have to try to stop work before the sun sets, so I don't have a lot of time today, but we'll see how. I also realized that we have a stool at home, and this stool is kind of like the perfect height for me to sit on while I work over here, so I think I'll be using this a lot more. I don't know why I forgot all about this, but this is going to save my back and also my butt. I shall not delay any longer. I'm gonna get to work now. Hey guys, so it is 5:45 now, and as expected, I didn't manage to even finish cutting out all the masking tape. I actually have some time left, but filming without sunlight is pretty bad, so I'm gonna stop the filming now, and I am gonna continue cutting everything so that tomorrow I can peel off the masking tape of every side, and I will finally start on the exterior with the fillers. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I think I could have finished it earlier, but I realized that this part was a little bit messed up, so you can see me like, you know, fixing and redoing this part, so that took quite a bit of time. If you are doing this, just be mindful of that. That's why shading the parts that I need to cut really helped a lot, because I can actually see what's going on, and because of that I realized that, you know, I messed up somewhere. At least I kind of got one side done, so you can actually see how the masking tape is supposed to look like after being cut and peeled off. It's looking quite clean and quite excited about it. I'm quite excited to work on it. Sorry that this video is a little bit short. It's a little bit hard when I start work a little bit later because of some stuff that I had to do. And yeah, see you in the next one.